Hi, I'm Larry. Welcome to Larry's Chinese Masterclass. Can you talk about your hometown in Chinese language? Can you say, where is your hometown in Chinese language? Don't worry. In today's lesson, you are going to learn how to talk and ask about your hometown or someone's hometown in Chinese language. In our last video course, we talked about how to introduce your nationality in Chinese language. And in the other previous videos, we also learned how to ask questions in Chinese language. We discussed the whole WH questions of Chinese language. In this video, you are going to learn how to talk about your hometown in Chinese language. Let's quickly start. Talking about someone's hometown in Chinese language, the most important word that you need to know and know how to pronounce and also know the meaning is 在, 在, 在. 在 in Chinese means where something is or where something exists or to be located at. 在. For example, I'm in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is a sub-provincial city in China. So let's take, for example, I'm in Shenzhen. You can use any other place as example. I will say in Chinese, 我在深圳. 我在深圳. I'm in Shenzhen. Another example, my hometown is in Shanghai. My hometown is in Shanghai. Shanghai is also a city in China. So I'll say in Chinese, 我的老家在上海. 我的老家在上海. My hometown is in Shanghai. So 老家 here means hometown. We say 老家 means hometown. Hometown in Chinese is called 老家. That is your place of origin or place of birth, 老家. Let's see another example. For example, my family is in Beijing. My family is in Beijing. Beijing is a capital of China. Capital of China is Beijing. For example, my family is in Beijing. We say, 我的家人在北京. 我的家人在北京. My family is 我的家人. 家人 is my family. 家 plus 人. The 人 is family members. So when it comes together, it means my family. 我的家人在 to be at 北京. To be at 北京. 我的家人在北京. Now you've learned how to talk about someone's hometown in Chinese language. We said 我的老家在 plus place. 我的老家在 plus place. That is your hometown plus place. So it may be any place. So now let's move to new one, which is how to ask about someone's hometown. How to ask questions about someone's hometown. To ask about someone's hometown in Chinese language, we need to use this word, where. Where. When we are discussing the 8 WH questions of Chinese language, we discussed about where, and we said that it has 2 ways to pronounce them, which is 哪里 or 哪儿, 哪里 or 哪儿. For example, where is your hometown? Where is your hometown? In Chinese, we turn the question upside down to get it correctly, to get the standard Chinese form. So the way we ask questions in Chinese, question word in Chinese is different from English language. So where is your hometown? Where is your hometown? We turn the question word giving us your hometown is where. Your hometown is where, which is 你的老家, which is your hometown. 在哪儿? 你的老家在哪儿? Where is your hometown? Or 你的老家 在哪里？你的老家在哪里？ So these can go. Let's take for example, my hometown is in Shenzhen. My hometown is in Shenzhen. I will simply say 我的 which is my hometown. 我的老家，我的老家在深圳。我的老家在深圳 which is my hometown, is at Shenzhen. Number 2. Where is his hometown? Where is his hometown? Remember, if we are to translate it directly, it's going to give us wrong answer. This only happens when asking questions. You don't translate questions directly. It's always wrong. So we change it upside down, giving us his hometown is at where? His hometown is at where? Giving us 他的老家在哪里 or 他的老家在哪儿？他的老家在哪里 or 他的老家在哪儿？ For example, let's say his hometown is in Beijing. Beijing, we say 他的老家在北京。Can you try it? 他的老家在北京 meaning his hometown is in Beijing. Remember, you can still change place in any form, anywhere you want to change. Number 3, where is your family? Where is your family? Changing the question word, we have your family is at where? Your family is at where? Giving us 你的家人在哪里 or 你的家人在哪儿 Repeat. 你的家人在哪里 or 你的家人在哪儿 In response, my family is in Shanghai. My family is in Shanghai. I will say 我的 which is my family. 我的家人在上海。我的家人在上海。Remember, when we are discussing about how to introduce your nationality in our previous video course, we said that if someone wants to say that somebody is a citizen of so place or somebody is from so place in Chinese, like if someone wants to say that I'm a Chinese or an American or any part of the country, that the only word you need to add at the front of that country name is 人. For example, we give example with 中国, which is 中国 is China. When we put 人 at the front, it becomes Chinese. 中国人，美国人, which is an American. So the same thing also applies here when we are talking about hometown. So if you want to say that somebody is from a particular city or his hometown is from a particular place, we only need to add 人 at the front of that hometown. The name of that hometown, we need to add 人 there to talk about what we are saying. For example, I'm from Shenzhen. I'm from Shenzhen. I'll say in Chinese, 我是深圳人。我是深圳人。I'm from Shenzhen. 他是北京人。Is in Beijing or he is from Beijing. 他是北京人。He is in Beijing or he is from Beijing. We have all learned and know the meaning of 我、你、他. Now, if we add men, if add men at the front of this word, it means 我们 meaning we. 我们 we. 他们 they. 你们 a plural of you. 你们 a plural of you. For example, are you all from Shenzhen? Are you all from Shenzhen? 你们是深圳人吗？你们是深圳人吗？ Are you all from Shenzhen? No, we are from Beijing. We are from Beijing. 不是，我们是北京人。不是，我们是北京人。They are from Shanghai. They are from Shanghai. 他们是上海人。他们是上海人。Now, let's repeat this conversation. Try and see if you understand it. The first one. 你们是深圳人吗？你们是深圳人吗？不是，我们是北京人。我们是北京人。他们是上海人。他们是上海人。The thing is, are you guys or are you all? Are you all from Shenzhen? That is the question. Maybe you found that you see a group of people and you think that, oh, maybe these people are from Shenzhen or they are from a particular place. You can ask, are you guys or are you all? 你们是深圳人吗？ Then they will respond to you, no, they are not from Shenzhen, they are from Beijing. 不是 no, 不是，我们是北京人。我们是北京人。No, we are from Beijing. 他们是 then they are saying they are, maybe we have two groups of people there, and they are telling you that they are, 他们是上海人。In today's video, you've been able to learn how to talk and ask about someone's hometown in Chinese language, and even talk about your own hometown in Chinese language. That is really, really very wonderful. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to our channel, like, comment. Remember to turn on your notification bell for more video updates. See you next time on the next video course. Title.